my name is Callista, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make fake snow. So here's what you need: 2 cups of baking soda, a quarter of cup water,
half
of cup water, and I'm using glitter because I want to. So this is going to be easy because all we have to do is put it in here, mix it, and also leave 15 minutes to freeze it. So here's what we're going to do. First, pour it in. First, we're going to pour it in, all of it. Okay, it looks weird. Now mix.
Put the glitter in.
And I'm putting glitter in, all of it.
Spread it around though. All right, mix it all together.
I can't mix it.
Use your hands. Oh
my. Why is it so cold water?
It's going to be even colder after we put it in the freezer. How long are we going to put it in the freezer for?
15 minutes.
All right, so while we do that, what do you have to tell them to do?
Like and subscribe. Hello, welcome back, guys. So it's been 15 minutes and it's now turned into fake snow.
All right, put her in the bowl. Show them.
I'm putting it into here. Come on, get out. Get out. Do I really have to take you out, Snow?
So, what's it feel like?
It feels like real snow, and it feels cold because snow is cold.
And you can keep it in a baggie, right?
Yeah, that way it doesn't like dry out. Because our old snow dried out.
Wow. We made that one a long time ago, didn't we?
Yeah, and it dried out because of the hole. So we used that snow that turned into baking soda to make this video.
Okay, so?
Huh?
So you got your snow out.
I now have my snow out. It's so fun to play with. Even cold to play with. Bye, guys. Bye.